If you do any kind of container gardening because of just maybe your health or your limited space, say if you live in an apartment complex or something of that nature, then this is the easiest way to make sure that your plants stay moist for longer without having to water all the time. I've got here some onions, a jalapeno pepper plant, a tomato plant, and just starting to grow a potato plant. Now, the way to do this is to get a package of diapers, and in the center of the diaper you'll find small absorption crystals that, if you cut them out and mix them in with the soil, they will act as a water retainer, and they will keep your soil moist so that you don't have to water as often. So just a helpful hint on gardening, since the gardening season has just begun. And you'll still have to water, you'll still have to check the soil now and then, but you won't have to water your plants as often with the help of diapers. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.